Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be using some pens from Papermate and we'll be using nib sizes like 0.7, 0.5 and we'll be trying cursive. So let's get started. In this example, Inkjoy from Papermate with nib size 0.5 mm pen has been used, and I have used a normal 80 GSM paper, and the ink bleeds and we can see in some areas, and the ink flow is not smooth, so in some part or in some time it will not be smooth. Then 50% letters of a word are connected to each other. So in the next example we'll be using a pen profile gel and with nib size 0.7 mm and same paper 80 GSM has been used. The ink flow is really good and very uniform, so the pen is also very smooth and it has a rubber or silicone grip which adds a lot of comfort, and it is very good for writing for long hours at a stretch. So this pen is really good profile gel with 0.7 mm nib size. In this example, more than 50% of the letters are connected of a word. So with this pen we can attempt to write more than 80% or 90% letters connected to each other while attempting a cursive style. So this pen is really good. So in the next example we'll be using 1 mm pen from Papermate and 1.4 mm. So they are really good and smooth, and if we are using above 1 mm nib size, they are very fast as well, but it will not be crisp or it will not give that sharp edge style, but they are really fast. So let's see in the next example. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel, and thank you very much for watching.